In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan receipt data in FreshBooks. This simple process will help you efficiently manage your expenses by digitizing those numerous paper receipts, making your bookkeeping far more manageable. Let's dive right in and guide you through the straightforward steps. First, head over to the FreshBooks website. If you're not familiar, just open up your preferred web browser and type in FreshBooks into the search bar. It's a popular platform, so finding the website should be smooth sailing. Once there, you'll notice a login button located on the home page. Go ahead and click on it to get started with managing your receipts. Now, you'll need to log into your FreshBooks account. Simply enter your credentials to access your dashboard. If you happen to encounter any trouble logging in, don't worry. Just use the password reset option to regain access quickly. After successfully logging in, your next step is to click on the Expenses tab. This section of FreshBooks is where all the expense management magic happens. Once you're in this section, you'll want to find and click on the New Expense button. It's typically quite prominent, designed to allow users to easily add new entries to their list of expenses. With the New Expense page open, pay attention to the area labeled Drag Receipt Image here or select a file. This is your gateway to uploading receipt images directly from your device. You can either drag the receipt image directly into the designated space if you're using a computer, or click to browse for it if it's saved elsewhere on your device. This function helps in capturing every detail from your receipts accurately, which is essential for keeping your records straight. Next up is adding a category to your new expense. This step is crucial for organization, as it helps categorize where your money is going, making financial analysis seamless down the line. Click on Add Category and choose the most suitable category for your receipt. This ensures that everything is neatly organized. Don't forget, adding a detailed description of the expense can be incredibly beneficial. It allows you to note down any specific information that might be relevant for future reference, such as the purpose of the purchase or any important notes about the transaction. This small detail can save you from headaches in future audits or reviews. Finally, you'll want to hit the Save button to ensure all your hard work doesn't vanish into the ether. This action stores your digitized receipt securely in FreshBooks, updating your records instantly. And with that, you've successfully scanned and categorized receipt data into FreshBooks. By following these steps, you'll harness the full potential of FreshBooks for managing receipts. You'll benefit from clearer oversight and accurate real-time expense tracking, leaving you with more time for what truly matters: growing your business. Thanks for tuning in, and happy bookkeeping.